Estonia is a small country but has always been a strong maritime nation. Connection to the sea has shaped Estonia's history, economy, and future. Through science and innovation in maritime transport, we are making shipping more efficient, sustainable, and safe, ensuring that our waters remain a bridge to the world. To all women considering a career in science, let curiosity be your guide. The sea has always been a path to discovery. Let's keep exploring.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Billy of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore, hands and swore he'd take their whale in tow. Soon may the Wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Personality who truly inspires me is Dr. Vaira Vīķe-Freiberga, a former president of Latvia, who has always highlighted the importance of science in shaping societies and driving progress. She once said, "Science is empowering, liberating, and assertive. Its principles are profoundly democratic."
Through groundbreaking research in decarbonization, I'm turning challenges into opportunities for a more sustainable future of maritime.
People often don't say what they want, and that's why they don't get it. But we wish you a happy International Day of Women and Girls in Science.